In this demo, we will learn about the string operations. Open the Jupyter notebook as shown. Let us declare two strings to perform different operations on them. Say A equals learn cards and B equals welcomes you. Now let us perform the concatenation operation and print the result using this command. This will concatenate both the strings. We can perform the repetition operation and print the result using this command. The slice operation can be performed using this command. Let us perform the membership operation using the membership in and not in keywords. The membership in can be performed using this command. The membership not in operation can be performed using this command. We can also perform the range operations on a string using this command. This will print the letters from index 1 to 4. Click on the Run button to see all the outputs. You can now see the concatenation operation combines the two strings as learn cards welcomes you. The repetition operation prints the string A two times and gives the output as learn cards. Slice operation gives the letter at index 1, that is E. Range operation prints the letter from the range 1 to 4, that is EAR. Membership in gives the output as true as the letter T is present in the string learn cards. Membership not in gives the output as true as the letter P is not present in the string learn cards. Thank you.